Those icicles on your roof may look pretty, but they could cost you thousands of dollars in home repairs due to ice dams. Contact the Ice Dam Liquidators, the Twin Cities ice dam removal and prevention experts. Investing in ice dam removal now is money well spent that will help you avoid costly water damage later. Ice dams are formed when melting snow collects on the edge of your roof and then refreezes. Instead of draining, the water leaks into your home, damaging your roof, gutters, ceilings, drywall, and more. Ice Dam Liquidators quickly and affordably removes the ice dams with high-pressure steam. They can also add vents and attic insulation to prevent ice dams from ever coming back. Contact Ice Dam Liquidators, the Twin Cities ice dam removal and prevention experts. Investing a few $100s now can save you thousands of dollars in the future, not to mention the hassle of dealing with insurance claims. Don't wait another day to stop ice dams in their tracks. Contact Ice Dam Liquidators at 612-251-6938 or go to IcedamLiquidators.com. IcedamLiquidators.com.